As you can see behind us, a lot of the products are here and they're staged and they're getting ready to be packed up and shipped out. Is everybody ready for this installation? Yeah! Here we go again. 2021 Kitchen Storage Makeover, Food Service Equipment Supplies, and Metro taking on Harbor Creek Youth Services. Let's go, team. It wouldn't be a makeover if I wasn't standing in a sink.
Day 2, time to install the smart wall.
We got a timeline to meet, people. Let's keep moving.
I think the 2472 goes over to the dry storage area.
Thanks to our label holders, even if the shelves are empty, we know where everything goes.
Now we're assembling the track to the top track system.
So these guys are hard at work installing a full height smart wall system.
We'll be right back after this message.
Last Friday, we brought you the story about Harbor Creek Youth Services winning a national contest. The grand prize, a kitchen makeover worth over $50,000.
The kitchen at Harbor Creek Youth Services was transformed to a new place of order and convenience.
Come on in. It's time for the reveal. In this area, we gave you ample workspace to take the place of some of that old stuff. So, Kelly, what do you think of this?
I love this. It's like a whole different work area.
Yeah, this is called our Smart Lever productivity system. Wait till you see this. Come on over here. I want to show you this. Take a look.
Come on. Look, look, look. These all move. And look, they labeled. We got more space than we have stuff right now.
So we'll move along to this is our snack
nice?
area. This is one of our smart stations. This is what makes us really special because we can combine all things in a task-oriented way. We combine our smart wall system, we combine our shelving, we combine our tables and carts, and we make something that's really productive, and that's what you have here.
This I love. That's gonna be, when we're prepping up the snacks for the, that's gonna make things easier. Oh, look at this. It's our sanitized cart. And they put my name.
So Kelly, what is the biggest thing that improvement you see in the dish area?
The drying racks.
And you remember your wooden shelf freezer?
Our pallets.
Do you notice how much more floor space you have in there? Last but not least is the dry storage area, the catch-all for everything in this kitchen. So, through this experience, what do you think was what was the best part of the whole experience for you?
The best part, honestly, is what hasn't happened yet. The best part's going to be how much easier it makes their job. And then it's going to make life easier for the kids, ultimately. Because if their job is easier, my job is easier, and the kids are happier at service. And that's ultimately what our goal is. So the best part of this whole thing hasn't happened yet, but my favorite part is the shelves and the walk-in cooler. Honestly, I never could have imagined that much space in there at all.
And that's great.